Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I do my shea butter mix. First you need the shea butter. I always get the creamy one. It looks like this. It's creamy and it goes well on the skin. Then you need olive oil. Next is the Jamaican black castor oil, a bowl, a small container to put the mixture into. Next you need a mixing tool and a spoon. Let's get into it. First thing is to put the shea butter in the bowl. And afterwards I'll be adding the olive oil and the castor oil. I added 3 spoons each, but then it was too thick, so I added a little bit more castor oil. And after that's done, you take the mixing tool and mix so we have a very smooth blend. And like I said, it was too thick, so I added more castor oil and then use a spoon to stir it properly to have a nice paste. And that's pretty much it. Just transferring it to my container. And shake it to have it even, and voila, that's a shea butter blend. And to see how I applied it, just check my previous video. Thanks for watching. Bye.